We live in a project world. Anything we do in life is a project.
We know from research that anytime you're actively engaged in doing something, making something with your hands, there's a greater chance for retention of the lessons that are learned.
I think students today are looking for a different kind of experience. They're looking to find ways to use their own curiosity to drive their education, and project-based learning really gives them that opportunity. It's about gathering information, understanding it, and then learning how to apply it in the real world. And it really requires a different kind of a space.
Open, creative spaces really allow teachers and students to do things that weren't possible in traditional classrooms.
When Cedar Park found out that we would become a STEM magnet school, we recognized that we needed to have a couple of labs to allow children to have the space to be able to build hands-on.
You can do a lot of these things in classrooms, but you're really limited. The space is really crucial.
It's a large space for project learning, so they can actually build things and construct things within that lab.
We left a lot of the piping exposed, so kids can really see how the engineering works in a building. We're going to be producing the next generation of engineers.
We developed a rain garden, we developed some planting areas, they have a school forest.
We have multiple egress and access points to come in and out of to really get to our outdoor spaces.
There were just lots of details that Wold put in which we continually turn to and demonstrate with children. This is how things work.
As a district, we needed to have a fab lab, and it needed to be state-of-the-art.
Basically, it was designed so that you had a clean side and a messy side. And you can go there and there's an area where the students can spend time designing and then spend time fabricating.
But then we also wanted to have a physical separation with some of our louder machines. So Wold came up with we think, a phenomenal idea of really making the space feel like one space, but having that separation by doing the glass walls.
We wanted this to be a room that showcased the work that students were doing, and so we very purposefully added a lot of glass to this room so that students from the hallway could see this.
We really wanted to thoughtfully integrate a design space and also a presentation space, because we think it's really important for our students to learn to communicate their design ideas.
Wold challenged us not to have a lot of storage or permanent features in this room, and so we've been able to grow and add furniture and tables and storage as we needed it.
The success of this space has been inspiring to our entire school. Rather than being consumers of technology, spaces like this allow our students to be creators using technology.
A space like this makes learning come alive for students.
We wanted to create a room that would stand the test of time and be able to ebb and flow with the needs of our community, technology, and our students.